Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss about characteristics of society. And we have earlier discussed about the society and views of scientists about society. Now we are going to discuss about characteristics of society. Society is abstract. So society is a system of social relationship. So it is abstract. We can define society as a system of relationships established between them. And second characteristic is mutual awareness. It is known as society, the name of the system of social relationship, and relationship cannot be formed without awareness. It is necessary for social relationship to have mutual awareness. And third one is likeness and differences in society. There is a cooperation of equality and differences in social relationship. Knowledge and awareness of each other is necessary for social relationship, which cannot be built unless there are differences and differences between individuals. So, the basis of society, according to Giddings, has called the basis of society is consciousness of kind, means likeness. Like people live with each other. In the word of MacIver Page, equality and differences are logically opposite to each other, but ultimately both are related to each other. The two complement each other by which social relationships are built. Variation is also important part. While there is equality in the society, on the other hand, there is also variation and differences and diversities in the society. It's also very important to have diversity in the society. The variation can occur in any area. Equal intelligence, competence, efficiency, readiness, etc. are not found in all members of society. Equally is also not found on the basis of gender. That is, gender is different. And interdependence. Human needs are eternal. He cannot fulfill all these requirements alone. So, humans, as the need of the people grew, so have the people have organized them, which created the society. People have to depend on each other to fulfill their needs. So, mutual interdependence is compulsory for the society. Cooperation and conflict. For existence of society, like equality and inequality, cooperation and struggle are also very important for society. These two features look at each other from above, but in reality, they are the antithesis of each other. The process of cooperation and conflict is found to be essential in every society, whether society is simple or complex, primitive or modern, primitive or urban, rural or urban. Both cooperation and conflict are found. And cooperation, MacIver Page has been divided cooperation two types: direct cooperation, indirect cooperation. You are cooperating in the society by direct cooperation or by indirect cooperation. Suppose I am cooperating you after making videos, but I did not meet you. But you are getting benefit from my side. This is a cooperation. This is indirect cooperation. Conflict is also essential for society. Many sociologists have also expressed their view on the importance of the struggle. Conflict. The history of conflict has been going on since time immortal. There is no society in the world where is no conflict. So conflict is also important for society. Now we are going to talk about society is not confined only to humans. Society is not confined to men only. Society is not found only in human beings. It is also seen in the other organisms. MacIver Page has said, wherever there is life, there is society. That is, society is found in all animals to society. It is necessary to have social relation, mutual awareness, equality, inequality, division of labor, cooperation, struggle, interdependence. These are the main factors. Changeability is the law of change of society. Without change, society cannot be possible. Society is not in a static. In any society from past to present, there is changing. Society is a part of nature, so society also changes. There is no society in the world where there is no changes. Society is primitive or modern, simple or complex, rural or urban. Every society is changing all the time. And every human being is changing. Type of example of society. Sociologists studied society is called the variability and complex system of social relations. To understand the society well, the meaning of society definition is based on characteristics were clarified. Here some example of society are being presented so that it can be understood more easily. Various sociologists have discussed the types of society based on the perspective. For example, according to Durkheim, mechanical solidity and organic solidity. According to Tony, discuss Jimensoft and Jesselsoft, as many examples are given in a relationship. So here we are making a discussion of three types of society, based on discuss here. Primitive society is referred to a tribal society, simple society. Primitive society means a society whose population is small. They live in some small area. Their social contact is also narrow, very simple. Their economy is simple compared to progressive and technological society. And on this basis, the society is transferred on an oral basis. Thus, now we will talk about simple and traditional society. Tribal to traditional, simple or traditional is addressed. Such a society are away from the city and gram and town, and they are more developed from tribal society. And you could understand this is more developed from tribal society. And now third one is complex and modern society. Complex or modern society is much larger and wider than primitive and simple society. In such a society there is some selfishness behind every cooperation and relationship. A secondary relationship is found between people. Secondary group is more dominant in this society. There is lack of sense of human in people. There is a sense of conflict and competition between different people and group. In such society, there is considerable inequality in the motives and interest of the people. In a complex society, science, technology, economy, and political organization develop greatly. Division of labor and specialization are quite common. In such a society, the population of people and their social contacts are also expanded. The structure and function of society are quite complex. Religion, tradition, morality, etc. do not have much importance in such a society. In such a situation, society, the importance of literature, systematic art and logic increase. New institution, business, machines, modern education and technologies, computer and sciences are built in a complex society. The function of people related to it are divided and limited in themselves. But unity is found in this variation. In such a society, the need of the people are so high that no person can fulfill them alone. Everyone has to be dependent on each other, but these relationships are limited to editing of work. Complex or modern society is a city-dominant area. Saint-Simon described three types of society: militant society, legal society, industrial society. And Auguste Comte, father of sociology, mentioned three types of society: theological society, metaphysical society, and positive society. Auguste Comte has been divided theologically into three parts. And theological society is divided into three parts: fetishism, polytheism, and monotheism. Monotheism is the higher level in theological society, and then metaphysical society and positive society. And Emile Durkheim has been discussed society into two parts: mechanical society and organic society, and Tony discuss about two parts. Society classified into two types, that is Jimensoft and Jesselsoft, and Herbert Spencer described society into two categories, militant society and industrial society, and many other classification has been done by MacIver Page also, simple to complex, doubly complex and trebly complex, and many scientists has been divided, but this is the basics of sociology and society. So thank you now.